We are on our way to the Canary Islands. Yes, yes. So we just landed in the Canary Islands.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Now we're going to our bus and then we'll go to our hotel. It's about like 20, yeah, it's about 20 degrees Celsius. So I would say about 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which like I guess is hot to like a lot of people. But to me it's so nice here. Yeah, so we're on the bus. We're all by ourselves. Yeah, it was a pretty good flight. Lauri didn't like the food though, so we're both really hungry. We want to get either pizza or hamburgers.
Yeah.
Very good day.
Very, very.
Very, very. Yeah. So we're almost to the hotel. What are you eating today? Pizza and chicken, I think.
Yeah. I'm having pork and rice and chicken and spicy pork and salad and french fries. And yeah.
We're currently on our way to the store and I'm riding because I don't want to walk. But he's gonna die because I weigh too much. He's not strong enough, huh? Okay, hi.
Hello guys.
We're at the beach. We spent like all day swimming and at the pool, and now we're looking around at the beach and at the marketplace near the beach. And yeah.
Yep.
The water is really warm.
And
Tomorrow we might try to come here and swim, and I might show them what boogie boarding is. Yeah. Yes, well, we were just at the market and it was a lot of fun. We bought some goggles and we bought
goggles.
What else did we bought a little bit of some clothes and like a game to play at the beach tomorrow. Drivers here are crazy. Like they go so fast. And don't you agree? Like in the bus yesterday, we probably almost ran over like 7 people in the first like 30 seconds. What do you want to eat?
What I want to eat?
Yeah.
Green pizza hamburger. Yes, and minä haluan syödä kakkuja, pullaa, jäätelöä, jotakin iltapalaa.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! Wow! Good pranking! So it's the end of the night here. It's maybe like 11 p.m. We watched a really cool show. It's called Waka Waka, and it's like these 3 African men, and like they did like traditional African like dances and like different things like that. And now we're back in the room, getting ready to go to sleep, but the Wi-Fi sucks, and I mean, yeah. So Laura's under the table trying to find the Wi-Fi. Yes, yes. Apparently, he thinks that the best place for the Wi-Fi is under the table.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. It works, okay. Yeah, so that's it for our first official day here in the Canary Islands. And okay, good night.
What's up guys? Today we are going to the beach and that's very nice.
Yes, yes.
Hello, now we are at the beach and we spent like 2 hours and I went boogie boarding.
Alright, what was
part of today?
Cookie boarding.
Okay. Did you like swimming?
Yes, I like the wet.
Hungry, so we're gonna go to McDonald's, which is right there.
Cheese hamburger and Coke. I got fries, a drink, and barbecue sauce. And I got ice cream and more fries. Hello guys, today is Wednesday and we are going to the Siam Park, that's water park.
Wow!
Yeah!
Alright, so we spent all day here at the water park and I think the rides were really fun.
Yeah.
And some of them were big and I went on that one right there and it's like their biggest ride, I guess. It goes like straight down and then under like an aquarium almost. Yeah, it was really cool. But
This chocolate cake is so good.
Today we are eating.
There is very good music.
Alright, so we were supposed to leave this morning and we woke up and we got a text saying that we can't leave today and our flight got cancelled, and so it got moved till tomorrow morning. So we got another day here in the Canary Islands, which is like good, but this morning was kind of stressful, but it's okay. We spent the day mostly at the airport trying to figure out what to do, and now we're at a hotel and we're gonna walk to go get dinner somewhere. So yeah. Pretty good day.
To the cookie pizza.
No, that's in Finland. We're in the Canary Islands. Okay, bye. So
we're finally leaving 24 hours later, but it's okay. It's kind of sad that we're leaving, but it's okay because when we get back to Finland, there's snow. So we're leaving the 80-degree weather for the 0-degree weather. Not so nice.
Hello guys, today we are going to Arizona.